Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have a machine here that these S300s are near and dear to my heart. I love these machines, 250s and 300s. This is an 07K series, so this is going to be the last of the 300s, 250s. These were an awesome machine. V30 300T Kubota, direct injected engines in these. This machine came out of a nursery and it was well cared for. It has 2,966 hours on it, all original. The white paint is all original. We did paint the gray and the orange. But all the zinc plating on the bolts on the white, which we'll show you here in a minute, are original. It was kept inside, but that gray just fades out so bad on the Bobcat. We're going to take you here to the back, take you completely around this machine. But if you are looking for a nice S300, here's one to look at. Back door is incredibly straight. A couple little scuff marks on it, but it's not dented and beat in. Okay? Back door opens very nice. You can see here all your zinc plating is just absolutely beautiful on it. Kubota V3300T, which is an 81 horsepower. 250s were 75 horsepower, 4-cylinder turbo diesel. There is any garbage on these machines at all. These were the last of the good machines in my opinion. We've had this in the shop, serviced, gone through, all filters, oils changed, engine oil, fuel, hydraulic, charge filter, everything. So this would be a K because the K is a hydraulically driven fan. Up underneath is going to be your radiator and cooling package for your auxiliary or for your hydraulic system. You can see here all the zinc is still nice on all the pins. We did reseal lift cylinders and tilt cylinders. 4 brand new D-Stone 12-16-5 heavy duty tires. When I say zinc plating, look at all the white here. They're still Loctite from factory on the bolt heads, okay? That is all nice. This machine wasn't in any type of corrosive environment. What it done, they run a set of hydraulic tree ball huggers on it. And if they moved it, they threw a strap across here and scuffed that paint up, but I left it alone. I didn't want to, it was too nice to touch up the white. I just wanted to let it nice and original. Standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach. We've been through the quick attach. The quick attach is good and tight. Auxiliary hydraulics for running attachments, obviously. Good Bobcat 74-inch heavy duty bucket. Again, you can see on this side, just very clean. And stuff like this is getting harder every day to find. Cab is good and straight, and this grab handle has one ding. And there again, we try to go above and beyond here to show you the truth, tell you the truth. Seat, bottom cushion, I did put a new cushion in because it was cracked. Back has one little wee tear, but doesn't affect anything, so that's why I left it like that. We'll go ahead and start the machine. You have no warning lights. 2966 on your hours. No air codes. All gauges work. Bucket positioning valve, which is your auto level valve. Standard controls machine. Just a really good, if you are looking for a really good clean S300, you need something. Here is just a nice machine. Very, very, very nice. 07K. Very last of these was in 2010. Some of the best machines Bobcat ever built, in my opinion. 3,000 pound lift capacity, 81 horse. So we're going to go ahead and fire this thing up. We're going to run it around. It does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. You're laughing. I hate the word sweet. I have no idea why. We had an employee work for us years ago, and that's all we'd ever say, sweet, sweet. I hate that word. But if you are looking for a nice running S300, that thing brings a smile to my face because it handles so nice and it's smooth, and I just love these machines. They were just, in my opinion, they were like a 763. Some of the best stuff Bobcat ever made compared to some of this new stuff. You don't see the problems of these machines. These were very basic. If it didn't start, you had a dead battery, a bad starter, a bad switch power relay, something very simple. With that Kubota motor, I have some of these are going to be coming up for sale with 5,000–6,000 hours on them, okay? I just need to get them through the shop, but there's a nice 2,966 hour machine, 4 new tires, good bucket, guarantee my stuff to be 110% the way we state it is. There's no issues with this machine. If you are looking for a nice, clean machine that is well cared for, that was taken very good care of, it'll last you a long time, here's something to consider. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. Please see us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at MarkSupply88. Keep in mind, this is not some auction piece of junk like you're seeing all these guys put on Facebook Marketplace. My stuff is, a lot of it, I buy all private or dealer trades. This was a trade on a brand new machine that I bought it direct from the customer. And that's how I get hooked up with him. And I've owned some of his stuff before. They are a nursery company. And again, they take very good care of their equipment. And that's why the thing looks the way it does. It was well cared for and taken care of. So if you got any questions, again, 814-658-3066. I'm Nick Miller. Thank you very much, as always, checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.